Hey guys, so if you have Quooker E4 error code and you want to like solve it, get rid of it, one thing that you can try, maybe it's going to fix the issue. If not, I'm sorry. You want to just like unplug it and wait for like 10 to 15 minutes and then plug it back in. So we're gonna plug it in right now, turn it off completely, then unplug it. You're gonna have this like right here, one of it, and then you're gonna have it right here to the outlet to the wall. So this is something I read also by the Quooker themselves, that you just want to unplug it and you just want to wait for like maybe 10-15 minutes, and that should possibly like fix this issue for you, and that's it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you are going to have a great day, and goodbye.